Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Fairphone 5 and in this video I am going to show you how to edit photos in Google Photos on this device. Alright, so to edit photos in Google Photos, firstly obviously we have to open Google Photos and right here we have to choose the photo that we want to edit, for example this one. Then we have to click on this edit icon on the bottom. As you can see, we have here some suggestions like and change, warm and cool. We can crop the photo like this and rotate it or change perspective. We have here some tools like unblur and magic eraser. We can adjust brightness, contrast, HDR effect, white point, highlights, shadows, black point, saturation, warmth, tint, skin tone, blue tone, pop, sharpen, denoise and vignette. We have here some filters and we can mark up the photo with pen, highlighter, or we can write something on it with text option. And now we can save this as a copy of the original photo. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!